Are meme coins the next big thing in cryptocurrency? From Doge coin to Shiba Inu, meme coins have taken the market by storm. But can investing in meme coins truly make you a millionaire? With the recent launch of Lil Pump's new coin, there's a lot of buzz. Meme coins often start as a joke, but some have skyrocketed in value. Investing in meme coins can be extremely risky due to volatility. However, some early investors in Dogecoin have seen massive returns. It's important to do thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Lil Pump's coin, Pump Token, aims to capitalize on his fame. Many people are drawn to meme coins due to their low entry barrier. But beware of pump and dump schemes that can lead to massive losses. Some investors have become millionaires overnight by investing in meme coins. Others have lost everything, so proceed with caution. If you're considering investing in meme coins, make sure to research the creators and ensure they are trustworthy as well as the coin being audited. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is highly speculative and unpredictable. Lil Pump's Pump Token has gained attention from both fans and skeptics. Keep an eye on market trends and trade wisely. Meme coins can be exciting, but always stay informed and cautious. Whether meme coins will make you a millionaire is uncertain, but the potential is there. Do you think investing in meme coins is worth the risk? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe.